Hey, what's up, Coin Fam? If you're searching the 2000p Sacagawea dollars, there are three varieties and errors you need to look for. The Wounded Eagle, the Cheerios dollar, also known as the 1999 reverse dollar, and the Mule dollar. In today's video, I'll explain what the Wounded Eagle dollar is, how to identify it, and how much they're worth. Don't forget to share this video on social media. I bet you have friends or family members that have some of these first-year Sacagawea coins in a coin jar somewhere. 1999 was the last year that the Susan B. Anthony dollar was minted. It wasn't liked very much because it was close to the same size as a quarter, and it looked like a quarter at first glance. The replacement for this coin was the Sacagawea dollar. These dollars are known as golden dollars, but make sure you don't confuse them with a gold dollar. A gold dollar is made with some percentage of gold. A golden dollar is golden in color, but doesn't contain any gold. Here's how to figure out if you have a Wounded Eagle dollar. First, take a look at the front or obverse of the dollar. The Wounded Eagle is only known to exist on the 2000 Philadelphia minted Sacagawea dollar. Look for the mint mark. If it's a P, flip it over and take a look at the reverse or tail side of the coin. You should get into the habit of flipping coins while they're lined up evenly and verifying that the obverse and reverse are lined up properly. Sometimes, if a die isn't aligned properly and you're lucky enough, you might find a rotated die error, and these coins can have some additional value. Now let's take a closer look at the eagle. The coin on the left is a normal Sacagawea reverse. The one on the right is the Wounded Eagle. You want to look for the raised die flow on the belly of the bird. These raised die flows are actually die gouges or reverse die aberrations. A die gouge is when a die gets scraped by another metal, causing a distinctive scratch that fills with metal during the pressing part of the minting process. This results in a raised impression of the gouge. This famous coin is known as the Wounded Eagle because the raised flows from the die gouges resemble spears or arrows impaling the eagle. There are a few hundred of these that have gone through PCGS. You can see the PCGS population by grade right here. PCGS has graded 3 of these Wounded Eagle dollars as Mint State 68, which is nearly a perfect grade. It'll be very hard to find one that beats this grade here, but you can still find mint-wrapped, uncirculated rolls of these coins that have been turned into banks. How much is a 2000p Wounded Eagle Sacagawea dollar worth? Let's take a look at PCGS to see what they have to say about the value. In the higher Mint State grades, like Mint State 68, the going price is about $5,000. It's not that difficult to find Mint State Sacagawea dollars while searching bankrolls. Even in lower grades, like this AU53, the Wounded Eagle is valued at $50. And just for reference, here's what an about uncirculated 53 coin looks like compared to a Mint State 68 Sacagawea dollar. Now these PCGS prices are estimates, and sometimes private sales and auctions can make a huge difference in the price. PCGS has the record auction price listed as $1,800 on eBay for a Mint State 67 Wounded Eagle in November of 2020. But if I found a Wounded Eagle dollar in a high grade, I would send it off to Heritage Auctions if I were going to sell it. Here's a Mint State 68 that sold for $5,160 in 2017. If you found the information in this video useful, share it on social media with friends. Thanks for watching.